I'm Roberta Bailey. I work for Fedco Seeds. I also have a farm, 7-tree farm in Vassalboro, and I am one of the growers who has added my seed to the open source seed initiative. And that is a group dedicated to offering up their genetic plant material, their breeding lines and varieties for anybody to use in any way that they want to. And by listing them as such, they cannot be owned by these other companies. Essentially 4 very large multinational seed companies who are patenting a lot of genetic material. Even things like the trait for red in lettuce. The other thing that happens when you grow seed on your farm is that it adapts to your microclimate and your soil types and those sorts of things. And that really big shift in the plant material as well.